Hi, my name is Kevin, and today we're going to create a crystal from this glow-in-the-dark crystal lab. What it gives you is a bag of glow-in-the-dark crystal glowing powder, a 1 seed rock, a magnifying glass, a stir stick, a display stand, a fluorite specimen, and then also an information guide. With this, you also have to include something to hold the crystal on, like this beaker, like so you could grow the crystal, and then you also need some hot water. Here. So before we start, the crystal that we're gonna grow is monoammonium phosphate. Both the seed rock and the crystal glowing powder is it. I'm just gonna show you this the fluorite specimen first. Let's use a magnifying glass. So this is the fluorite specimen. Some fluorite specimen could be green, light green, or purple. I have another one that's also purple. Actually, that's amethyst, sorry. The fluorite, some types of fluorite, they could glow in the dark, be like with ultraviolet light, called fluorescent, I think. So this is the magnifying glass. This is the magnifying glass. And then, where's the display table? Okay. This is a really small display table. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit. Okay, so hold on. First, let me get my stir stick. Okay, first, boil some water, and then pour 1 cup. That's what it says in the manual, but for now, let's just pour all of it, most of it. Yeah, that might be enough. Then, take your crystal glow powder. You can cut it off, but there's also like this little slip in it, so you can just rip it off from there. Oh, phew. Check if it's open a bit. You never have to breathe it in. You might be a bit too toxic. And then don't pour all of it, pour some of it in. After that, mix. Keep on repeating this process until this cannot dissolve any more of this crystal glowing powder. You don't need to empty all of it, but if you want like the biggest crystals, you're gonna have to, like, the more powder that you put, the more crystals that you get. Hold on. Let me just show it to you. So this is how it looks like. Let me go get the stick. You gotta keep on doing it until you can't dissolve any more of the crystal glowing powder. So the more you heat it up, the more crystal glowing powder you have. And also, the bigger the container and the more water you add, the more crystal powder you could add. As you can see now, it's fully dilated, so I don't think you could put any more in it. Okay, so now we just have to add the seed rock. So see this? This is also monoaluminum phosphate, and it has some plaster of Paris on it. I have no idea why, but I think it's to make sure that the rock does not break while we're using it. So this is our rock. Now we just drop it in. Remember, the flat side has to be on the bottom. Hold on, I'm just gonna center it. Mix it up a little more. And then you have to wait for at least 7 to 10 days for this to grow. So let's just put this aside, and I'll show it to you in a moment how it looks like after. First, let me just get my magnifying glass and show you something else about the fluorite. There it is. So, where is the camera? So, look here. See that? Hold on. Ooh. Something weird here. Look at that. Just like this little piece here. I think it accidentally got chipped off. And then, yeah, you can see that greenish thing. Sometimes, the color is not exactly is natural, but sometimes it's like fakely dyed so that it actually looks beautiful. So in this example, this is naturally colored by, I think copper, because copper makes stuff green. But, yeah, quartz, if you have iron, if you mix iron with quartz, well, you don't mix it. If you have some like, iron molecules in quartz, that quartz will become amethyst because like it turns into a purplish color. Okay, so this is day 0 because I started it. Here's another thing to remember. What you have to do is to make sure that whatever you do not disturb it, because like any movement with this water over here can interfere the growth of the crystal. Okay, so after 7 days, here's the crystal. The crystal is like right now not that big. It's like the tallest speck is about like 1.5 inches, maybe even less than an inch, but it's good enough. This here, you can see like there's like leftover residue. You could actually see some big crystals in it. It says you could glow in the dark, so let's check that out. Turn off the lights. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Hi, my name is Kevin, and today we're gonna grow a crystal.